guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Cam, aka Curls with Cam, and today I am going to be taking down my very first this is actually a quick weave. I went with the quick weave because, knowing me, I don't keep styles in long, and I just want something that looked really natural, which it did. So yeah, I've already started off by getting all of my leave out, like all the hair that's mine that was left out of the quick weave, and I just got a clip and clipped all that away so that it's not in the way. And this is what I'm left with, which, as you can see, is the track. I do have a buildup from having this in, but it's not too bad. I looked up this method, and a lot of people take out their quick weaves using conditioner. So that's pretty much what I'm about to do. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill my hair up with conditioner. This is the conditioner that I'm going to be using. Argan Oil and Morocco conditioner. So yeah, basically they just said, like, put a whole bunch on your hand. Oh Jesus. Alright, so I'm just gonna, and she used a lot. She used a lot in the video, so I'm gonna start off with like this much. And yeah, I'm gonna see if this works. So she was like, really just go for it, get it in there. So let's do that. And I'm praying that this actually comes off. I do have on 2 caps underneath this. So let's see if this is working. Ow, doesn't really feel like it. But I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough. Oh, it is working. Okay. All right, so whew, one piece down. And y'all, shout out to Bella, my hairstylist, because she did her thing on this quick weave. She only had to use 2 bundles, but I do have a tiny head, so yeah, but she did her thing on it. So this is easier than I thought it would be. 2 pieces down. And I'm gonna wash this hair and reuse it in the future, so I'm not gonna throw it away or nothing. Another piece down. And I will leave the link, I'll leave the username for the person's Instagram that I bought this from. The company is Monet Hair Co. And like I said, I'll leave the @ name and all that down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase this hair. Y'all, when I say this hair is like literally some bomb hair, and you can't even tell, but I actually dyed this hair because, you know, my real hair is jet black. So I watercolored it actually. And if you guys want to see a video on how to watercolor hair, I'll also do one of those. Just leave a comment down below and let me know if that's something you guys want to see. We getting down to the other part. This is what it's looking like, y'all. This is you can see like my cap and whatnot. And some pieces of my quick weave were already coming up because I was scratching so much. I feel like quick weaves and sew-ins are definitely something that I would have to get used to, because like I said, this was my first one. So it's something I have to get used to and kind of learn how to perfectly prep my natural hair for it so that way it doesn't itch as bad. But yeah, this hair still looks super, super good. And I love the fact that I can take this hair out without damaging it. Okay, so if you're having trouble getting a piece off, use some more conditioner. I'm not gonna use too much this time because it's only like 1. Oh, that's why, duh. I was supposed to be reaching for this. This piece is like not trying to come off, y'all. Like, for real, look at this. Ow. Let's not pull. Put a little bit more conditioner on that piece. Get it in there real good. I ain't trying to lose no hair. There we go. All right, you guys, so the cap is actually sewn down. So I'm gonna take some scissors and very carefully just find like a piece of thread and cut that. So see if I can find a piece of thread, cut it, and see if I can get the rest of it to kind of like unravel and come off. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna come back once I get like the threaded part off, and then I'll show you guys. All right, you guys, so all of the cap is completely taken off. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take down the braids. This is what the back is looking like. You guys, so after about 45 minutes, I would say, I have finally gotten all the braids out of my hair. Y'all can see the build up and the nastiness. So I am going to wash my hair finally, y'all. Y'all don't understand, like, and I've waited so long to be able to scratch my scalp. So now I'm going to give my hair some TLC, wash it, deep condition, and everything like that. But that is how you take down a quick weave. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.